respected district coordinators Sri J.P. Patel sir, judges, teachers and all the child scientists from different schools of the Raigad. A very warm and cheerful good morning to all of you. I, Aditya Day, with my co-workers and Missing Yadav are here to explain our project which is titled Behavioral Change in the Society for Sustainable Living. We know that the coronavirus disease 2019 or COVID-19 is a contagious disease that spreads severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2. The symptoms of these viruses are cough and cold, fever, fatigue, loss of taste and smell, shortness of breath. This virus can spread via a number of means, primarily involving the saliva and other bodily fluids and excretion. These fluids can form a droplet which can spread by the infected person's breath, cough, sneeze, sings and speak. This virus can also spread by the direct contact also. Generally, the infection mainly happens when the person is near the infected person for a long enough of a time, which is known as close contact. So, this can be prevented by the frequently hand washing, wearing masks, maintaining social distancing and quarantine. Maintaining the social distancing and wearing the cloth face masks will prevent the droplet transmission, and so to avoid the spread of coronavirus, lockdown is a precautionary measure that is taken in all the countries. During this lockdown, we see that the public gathering is closed, which limits the public activities, and most of the people keep themselves in their homes. So, the constraint imposed on the society will definitely affect on the behavior of the people. So, this project is an effort to know how the people react during this lockdown and the changes brought in the lifestyle of a countryman. So for this, a questionnaire is prepared which was sent to the every people living in the Chal through the WhatsApp. A survey sample of 203 people of different age group is taken and data is collected. This data is tabulated and analyzed. Out of which the chart shows that 75.9% of people turned more careful about their health during this period. About 86.2% of people had eaten the simple homemade food during this period. Also, 91.2% of people are agreed with the statement that the consumption of the Ayurvedic items like the ginger, lemon, giloy, tulsi, etc. have been increased during this period in their family. Also, whereas 63.1% of people reported the less frequent visit in the hospital during this period, but only 8.9% of people reported the frequent visit in the hospital for the treatment of the new disease. The 29.1% of people started doing the yoga, pranayam, exercise during this period. Also, 87.7% of people reported that the mutual understanding among the family members have been increased during this period. Whereas 66.5% of people feel strengthened and confident after the pandemic situation. About 43.3% of people was unaffected with the economic condition during this period, but 37.5% of people reported the weakening of the economic condition during this period, and only 18.7% of people reported the hike in their economic condition during this period. Here the pie chart also shows that 35.9% of people are more careful about their health during this period. 15.8% of people are less careful about their health during this period, and 8.4% of people are not taking any care about their health during this period. This pie chart shows that 86.2% of people had eaten the simple homemade food, whereas 9.4% of people had eaten the fried and spicy food, and only 4.4% of people had eaten the bakery and junk food items. This pie chart shows that the 63.1% of people reported the visit of hospital is less than the before. Then 32% of people reported the visit of the hospital is same as before. This pie chart shows that 75.9% of people are agreed with the statement that the consumption of the Ayurvedic items like the ginger, lemon, giloy, etc. have been increased in their family during this period. But 15.3% of people are partially agreed with the statement that the consumption of Ayurvedic items like the ginger, lemon, giloy have been increased in their family during this period. This concept shows that 78.8% people reported the time spent with their family was delightful during this period, and 15.8% of people cannot say anything about it. This pie chart shows 66.5% of people feel better after the pandemic situation, but 25.1% of people remain unchanged after the pandemic situation. So this trend shows because during this period the people are more cautious about their health. During this period they also started eating simple homemade food and doing yoga, pranayam, exercise, which results in less frequent visit in the hospital. As they also passed a much quality time with their family, so the mutual understanding among their family members have been also improved. This is a coal mines area, and mostly the service class people surveyed so that the percentage of the economically unaffected people is more than the people who reported the beginning of the economic condition during this period. In this lockdown, the extra expenses has been stopped. That's why 18.7% of people reported the improvement of economic condition during this period. So this observation shows the positive results, and we can say yes, COVID lockdown led some positive effects in the society. So this much about our project study. Thank you to all of you.